Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you guys are doing amazing. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys gonna be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So guys, in today's video is going to be an exciting video because we will be purchasing an amazing property. All right, I don't know if you guys can take a guess on what property I'm about to purchase, but I'm about to purchase an amazing property. I want to increase my portfolio now, get this up. The goal is to get to that 5 figures, get this account to about 10,000. Okay, that's the ultimate goal. All right, so as you know it, I have $1,002.05 in my e-wallet. All right, I just made a deposit. And I will be purchasing a property. All right, I want you guys to take a big guess on what property I'm about to purchase with this amount of money. All right, I'm waiting. Dun 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 dun. I'm purchasing the Desert Villa, guys. Unfortunately, the Desert Villa, I missed the promo, which sucks. But there's a promo throughout this whole week, guys, to take advantage of this amazing opportunity, and also the assets. Okay, amazing promo. All right, and guys, if you guys want to take action on this opportunity, right, you don't have to share this to a single person if you don't want to. You could just be completely 100% passive. You're going to go to the link in the description right below this video. All right. Make sure you put your name and email address. OK, I cannot stress that enough, because if you do not put your name and email address, you will not be able to review what's on the next page. And on the next page is the overview video. All right. That overview video is going to break everything down step by step on how this opportunity works and how this opportunity can be beneficial for you and your family. All right, so we will be purchasing the Desert Villa right now. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys on how to purchase the Desert Villa. Okay, all right, so the first step is we're going to go to where it says buyer. All right, the buyer, and then also we're going to go to real estate. So once we do that, now we're going to select Desert Villa. All right, the Desert Villa, and we're going to put the remaining amount is $102. I don't know how much is the let me see, hold on, give me a second. And then we're going to hit buy. All right, so I have 102.05, so we're going to put 102.05 right down to the cent, guys, and this is going to be deducted from my e-wallet. All right, so we're going to be averaging around, projection is around $5.21 per day. Okay, per month is $109.41. Break even point is 8 months. Okay, the total profit off my $1,000, okay, $1,002.05. I'm gonna make a total profit of $1,969.38. Break even is, like I said, 8 months, and if I want to auto capitalize it, I can do that. So this is only if you want to compound your funds. Okay, if you select this, that means you will not receive withdrawals until the 18 months is over, guys. Keep that in mind. So always leave this unchecked. All right, leave that unchecked, and then what we're going to be doing is we're going to hit pay now. We're going to sign the contract. right. And we're gonna hit sign the contract. All right, pay with balance. And we're good to go, guys. Now we have a portfolio of $4,917.71. All right, we have this amount is working on autopilot, guys. This is going to be building my portfolio. This will earn me now a very good, decent passive income on a consistent basis. Very, very good. Okay. Very easy. How to purchase a property. Okay. And these are the numbers now. So these numbers will be going up after the Desert Villa purchase. After the Desert Villa purchase, these numbers will be going up. And then look, this is what I have. This is my portfolio. So I have the Desert Villa, I have the Miami, I have the Villa, I have the apartments, which the apartments are sold out. I have house is sold out, and I have the apartments of Miami. Okay, so this is the only one that is being auto capitalized. Okay, right now I put $49 a few months back, and now this has grown from $49 to $99.95, which is awesome, right? No bank institution is doing this. Okay, this is what the rich and wealthy people has been doing this for so long, guys, and leveraging their money, right, and putting their money to work, right? And this is what e-estate can do for you. Putting your money in hard assets, real assets, that's going to allow you to leverage. It's going to allow you to get more time back for yourself, for your family, for your kids, right? And it's going to build long-term generational wealth. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme over here. This is real. This is a real legitimate opportunity, real business structure behind it, and tokenized real estate is the future. Okay, this is the time to position yourself right now. Get yourself a property. All right, you can get started for as low as $10, upwards to over $250,000. All right, there's promos that's happening. Make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. Watch the free video, put your name and email, verify your email right away, and you're gonna watch all the videos on the second page, which is the overview video, and right below it is the get started video, how to get started, how to fund your account, the whole 9 yards. Okay, just watch everything thoroughly, guys, at least 2 times each. It's gonna resonate when you watch it at least more than one time. It's gonna resonate with you, so you can get a clear understanding on how everything works and how you can be in a position to profit in the next 24 hours. We do get profits Monday through Friday. Saturday, Sunday, there's nothing. All right, Monday through Friday. All right, see you guys on the top, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to follow, like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.